Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account settings. Make sure your Google Play country is set to United States. Once done, prepare a US payment method or plan to create a new account while using a reliable VPN with a US endpoint. You need the gift card code handy and your Google account email ready for sign-in. Start the redemption in the Google Play app. This first step sets region permissions, so move deliberately and follow each screen prompt to avoid blocking redeems. If your current account can switch, open Play settings and change country to United States. Note Google allows one change per year, so choose wisely. If switching is blocked or risky, create a new US-based Google account instead. This avoids affecting purchases tied to your primary account. Make sure your device uses the VPN's US location, clear Play Store app data when prompted, and then enter the gift card code in Redeem. Doing this ensures the balance is applied to a US Play balance. Finish by selecting content available in the US Play Store and confirm payment using your newly applied balance. Many purchases require the account region to match content region. If you see code invalid or errors, make sure the VPN shows a US IP, clear cache, and retry. Sometimes waiting 24 hours fixes propagation issues. If problems persist, contact Google support with transaction details. Finally, avoid currency mismatches. When necessary, convert by buying US Play gift items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.